Brad Williams, Excel Primed. How about we look into dates and pull out just the month? Over here, we have a date. All we're doing is asking, show me the month. Not show me the money, show me the month. Okay? We've done this, I don't know, what, 6 times already? But the point of this exercise here is, can we use this somewhere else? And the answer is certainly over here. If we want the first day of the month, how do we translate that? Well, we're going to use the date, year, and month function. And over here, here's a summary. We're going to use these tools. And the tools just state what we've gone over before. The only difference is this year, C2. Well, we're using this number here in C5 as opposed to B5. And we're going to go back into B5 and grab the month. You're asking, well, why don't I just go back in, pull this information directly from the dates? Maybe there's an obstacle in the way. I don't know, but this is just an example. If you want, you can just try this and do that. What's the end result? It's the same. Maybe there's a reason why you're doing it this way. This is just an illustration, a tutorial. Remember? A tutorial. This is a learning lesson. We're learning. This is very mechanical. We've gone over the date, year, month. A lot of Excel is mechanical. You're going to be a robot sometimes, and you're going to maybe sit for 6 to 8 hours doing the same thing over and over and over and over again. That's just part of the job. Okay? Understanding why these tools are available is key. So maybe this has to be separated for reconciliation purposes. I don't know. But if so, now you know how to incorporate third-party information or third source or separated data. You also know now how to separate this stuff that you need to do by day or month or year. Or if you want to pull out just some of this information, you're learning the steps. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.